In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money to another bank in the CIBC mobile app. Now to achieve this, the only option available to you is through e-transfer. So select send money on your checking account, then you specify the amount that you want to send, then select to, and then select new contact. You can import from your device, or you can just go ahead and import and enter the information manually. So specify a name for the contact, their email address and their phone number, and then select save. I'm just going to step back and select my existing contact. Now because this recipient of auto deposit enabled, the money will be automatically deposited to their bank account. You can choose to select a frequency and a transfer date. And then once you're satisfied, you select continue and review your transaction and then select send. And that's basically it. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like or comment and subscribe.